Now in this lesson, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to basically apply the materials to any of the meshes that are actually in your scene, so that you can go ahead and then do that, because in the next lesson I'm going to have pretty much all the materials applied to our meshes, and then we'll just go ahead and render, because if I went and showed you how to apply it to each one of these, it would take an excessively long amount of time, but that's because I have a lot of meshes in the scene. So let's just go ahead and we're going to apply our materials to our oranges here and to our apples. So what I want to do is, you can also see that I have everything basically on its own layer here down in the right corner, and I'll actually be giving you this file, but you'll have to apply all the materials yourself, and you'll have to apply the light plane emitting materials too. But that's okay. I mean, you can work along as we go. So let's go ahead and select all of our oranges here. So I just select one and hit up, because I have them all grouped together, and then we can just apply the material in one shot. So let's go ahead and click our material editor, go into the folder that I created for our tutorial, double click our orange peel, and click accept. And as you can see, once you do that, the meshes will actually turn green. This means that the material has actually been applied successfully to the mesh. So let's go over here and we're going to select our apples here, and I'm going to have to scroll down a little bit here to where our apple layer is. And as you can see, I actually don't have an apple layer. So let's go ahead and select those and just hit up, and it'll select them all. And I'm just going to add them to their own layer and select the apples, save, main GRP, and as you can see, I have them all applied there. So let's go ahead and click our material editor, go back into our folder for our tutorial, and click our apple shader, and just hit accept and apply. And as you can see, they turn green, and then we have our apple material applied, and we have our orange material applied. So now when we go to render, the material will actually show up, and as you can see, they've turned green, so that means that we have actually applied the materials successfully to our apples and to our oranges. Then in the next tutorial, when I come back, we're going to go ahead and I'll have all the materials applied, and then we'll just go ahead and set up and get ready to render.